drive today, and hopefully it'll be a good turnout. It's supposed to rain, so I don't know. Well, the first video I made on the Cobra this year, the angle was bad, so hopefully this is better. Hopefully you guys can see where I'm going. So I'm taking the Cobra to get gas right now. Clutch is so heavy compared to my truck. Obviously it makes sense, but it feels so much better that way. But probably every day driving it probably get tiring. And the sound. The gas door's on the other side. I was full throttle and he was pulling away twice as fast. Did we hit the speed limit or something? That's cool, G. Well, then go. Oh, they're looping around. Oh. There's nothing there. Is everyone waiting? Alright, I'm gonna give it some.
Oh, because everyone gets to real.
Everybody's going like doing 0 to 60 world record runs.
It's a little bit dirty.
Oh, don't be sorry. They take this roundabout. So we're at the last spot, and we met, there was actually a lot of cars at the first meeting point, and then from there we drove decently far to another meeting spot on the parkway. Then kind of got lost along the way, but we all made it to the final spot. And plenty of cars still here. Everyone's having barbecue and drinks. Not alcohol though. Yeah, it was actually a lot of fun. Got some good clips. The Cobra sounded good. You were feeling a little car sick.
Too fast.
I think I'll film some of the cars and then we'll head back home, and then it's gonna rain, so that kind of sucks. At least we had a good start to the day. I said it the last 2 times I think I was in the Cobra, but man, does it feel weird being in the Ranger. I'm looking down at the gauges and everything. It just feels so weird. I feel like I'm on top of a building. It's the best way I could describe it. And then the clutch, I'm going to expect like a lot of resistance against my foot, and there is 0. So my foot is just flying to the floor. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you're enjoying the Mustang content where I can do it. I feel a little restricted in my content when I'm on the cruises because you can only film so much, so I really just use kind of highlights from it. You know, little pulls here and there, and then some cinematics of the cars. I think that's the best kind of mix of content for the cruises, because there's not much more I can do. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, because just like this video, we got content on the Cobra and the Shelby, and content on the Ranger in my other videos, which is the main kind of content on the channel. So after you subscribe, make sure you hit a like on this video and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see or what part of the video you liked most. And with all that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day.